to make a small Christmas tree look bigger? That is the question. Having lived for years in the center of Paris where space is at a premium, I've had to come up with a couple of quick, easy solutions. Whether they're fresh cut or artificial, there's a lot to be said for smaller trees. First of all, they're, well, smaller. Indeed, the bigger the tree, the wider the girth, which can be a problem with unruly pets, kids, or in our case, unruly Christmas party guests. They're also easier to handle, whether that means dragging one in from the cellar or garage, or hauling one home from the Christmas tree patch. And yet, ever since Saint Boniface converted the Druids from oak trees to fir trees, there's nothing like a lofty Trinity-shaped Christmas tree to usher in lengthening days and new beginnings. Like this one here at the Yves Saint Laurent headquarters around the corner. So just how do we make a small tree look bigger? My first tip? Elevate your tree. Literally. Put it on a table. Put it on a pedestal. It's Christmas after all. My second tip? Look to the stars. Or for any tree topper for that matter, that will raise the height of your tree by another few inches or centimeters. And lift your gaze right through the ceiling to the heavens above. Et voila! I hope you've learned a trick or two. Let me know with a thumbs up, and be sure to share your tips for making a small Christmas tree look taller in the comments. See you next time, and until then, wishing you a wonderful Christmas season from Paris.